Hi, I'm Margaret Palengo, the CEO of Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in website and internet marketing solutions. While my team is busy designing websites and helping your shop get found online, I'm here to discuss how call tracking works and why it's beneficial for your business. Call tracking is essential for marketing your business. It allows you to track how many calls you're receiving, where those calls are coming from, and how callers found your business. If you're running a Google Ads campaign, call tracking will help show your return on investment. It helps by giving metrics on how many calls came from a particular source. The metrics can help you understand exactly how far your money goes when trying to generate calls with different marketing efforts. Call tracking can offer access to advanced metrics, whether a call comes from an advertisement, organic search, direct web visit, social media, or some other source. These metrics together help you understand the most successful marketing methods that you're using. Call tracking numbers are not only useful for your online marketing, but it can also be useful offline as well. For example, if you're running a direct mail campaign or you have a special promotion in a magazine, call tracking can help. Placing a call tracking number on those advertisements is a great way to measure how effective those marketing efforts are. Call tracking will help steer you on how best to spend your marketing dollars. For example, call tracking enables you to go back and listen to calls that you have received. Call tracking verifies that calls you are receiving are quality ones for your business, and call recordings can also be a great training tool for your team. You can listen to calls, see how your service advisors are answering the phone, and help team members improve their over-the-phone conversations with clients. If you need help maximizing your efforts to market your business, let Autoshop Solutions help. Our team can set up call tracking numbers for you to use wherever you'd like. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.